What a day to start. Welcome back to the channel. I just want to bring to you real quick. Enjoy your Friday. Happy Friday. And with the market just closed today, we were just going over support and time to get in the market. If you have not been in the market, now is the time. But before we do so, if you think that in this video I have earned your time, please honestly hit that subscribe button and hit that like button, and let's start and grow this channel together. So I want to go over with you one thing. So with Trump and Zelensky clash, they that managed to bring S&P down on the Friday, ending the stormy February, because this month has been very dramatic for the market. If you can see that Nasdaq all-time highs here, and of course, yesterday we got that over 5%, over 500 points pullback. Nasdaq back past where it was trading before, but grateful. We're really grateful in the market that this morning the PCE price came in as expected, and with that, the market priced that in, that there's not just yet time to give up on the economy, because the economy is not doing so bad. With the Fed pausing rate, that's something that we have no control over. We can't touch it, but we're grateful, again, really grateful to see that this morning the PCE price core and the PCE price came in as expected. So with that said, market responded to it. Nvidia rise, most of the market pushed up. The first GDP growth for this year is moving the market, which is what contributed to market expectation today, that the Atlanta quarter was good and all of what's going on. But the major one thing that I called out yesterday, and I'm still going to elaborate on it today just a little bit. Look at 10-year Treasury yield going down. So all of you guys out there, all of you female, male, you name it, that has been waiting to purchase in house to get a good price, this is the time you want to start. Get your papers together, because with 10-year Treasury here at 4.214, it only get better from here. If we continue to decline and 10-year Treasury yield hit back 3.5, or say for the last 6 months when it was trading at 3.62, that's a good deal. I cannot stress it that it's a good deal. But if you want to go here to date, where it was trading at 4, this is the lowest it has ever been from this year, because we went all the way up to 4.8 and now we're at 4.2. With that said, I can tell you that Nasdaq is going to react greatly into this. Why Nasdaq is going to react greatly to it? And you can see the start that in after hours Nasdaq super oversold. You can see that on the super oversold side here on the RSI. What we do after, we normally push back up. MACD is start to cross in each other, so therefore it's telling me that, hey, this is time that you want to get into the market. Why? Because my 180-day MACD is about to cross, and also my RSI is back up in. We're not super oversold anymore. As you can see, this is my previous line that I drew, and market pulled all the way down yesterday. Today, with greater news this morning, market pushed right back up. So we're trading above our moving exponential line as well in the close. I'm happy to see that. So from here is either two things. We can either make a new high coming weeks, coming months. We can make either a new high on Nasdaq, or we can continue to trade sideways, because this is a drastic pullback from here. Previous pullback down, this is an 8.42% pullback on Nasdaq, not over one day but over a couple days, or should say, yes, because last week Friday all of this was initiated, and from Friday the market has been pulling back significantly. What are some of the stocks that you want to be in going forward? I can say you want to definitely get into SoFi, because if you notice, SoFi is about to cross. And anytime this baby cross, we're going nowhere but above $18 a share. Also, SMCI, very risky, but it's on its way back up. I cannot stress this, and I cannot stress this. Nvidia is the #1 stock to buy this year. Mark my word, this is the number one stock to buy this year. Do your due diligence and look into it, but you want to make sure that you're into Nvidia. Tesla, you want to make sure you're into Tesla. You can see that Tesla super oversold. Once my RSI is below 30, this is telling me that we're super oversold. Look what happened when we're super overbought. Once my RSI is over 70, which is 70 mark right here in the RSI, once we're over, we're bound to pull back. Why? Because we have to correct ourselves and then either trade sideways or pull back some more, and then once we pull back, we consolidate, and then we start to go our way back up. But Tesla is one of the stock that you want to be in for next year. And Warren Buffett stock, I cannot stress that this stock is a long-term play, because when I was watching it, I was watching it at $445 a share, and currently this stock is at $513, which is ticker symbol, which is BRK/B. And look how beautiful Nasdaq is trading after hours. So next week, I can tell you that market is going to be on its P's and Q's. And Meta, this stock is going over $1,000 this year. I can call it from now. But one stock that you want to watch out for is Reddit. Why? Because Reddit have a lot of volume behind it. And with great news to come, this stock can be over $400 or $500 for this year. So pay attention to Reddit. It's trading very cheap right now, which is $161. When I was watching Reddit when it came out with IPO, not even 3 years now, their IPO came out last year, was trading at $37 a share. But of course, look, the stock ran all the way up and now now pulling back. But keep an eye out. I would definitely get some shares on Reddit just for the long-term play. So that's most of the stock that I want to go over with for this time around. But I want to tell you that definitely Nvidia, all the way Nvidia, because when they do hit new highs weeks to come, you want to make sure that you're in it, because now Nvidia is very cheap. I can tell you that. So I conclude I no longer need these lines down here for Nvidia, because I don't think we'll ever see these numbers again. But for future reference, the next support 113, we're going to keep that one for now, just in case we have any hiccups along the way and we have any pullbacks. But market is going good, stocks are recovering, and next week we shall see where the market continue to climb. And with the weekend in play, anything can happen with the weekend in play, but I will definitely see what stock is on the rise and do my due diligence and bring it to you so you can know how and when to invest your hard-working money. But for now, that's all I have to bring to you. So like and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. Until then, stay green in the market.